Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. In today's session, I am going to discuss about the multiple choice questions which appear in biological classification. In my previous video, I completed Living World. Now I am going to start with the second chapter in the NEET syllabus, 11th class portion, that is biological classification. So, in the first, I want to discuss the questions which appear in the past 8 years starting from 2013 to 2020. So, this kind of work will definitely help you the overall preparation of the NEET and very exhaustive preparation of the NEET. So, you will have an idea what type of questions are asked in the NEET exam. So, every chapter I am going to present the analysis where I am going to show from each subtopic of that chapter in which year how many questions have appeared. Like today's I am starting with biological classification. As we are seeing on the screen, you can see I have divided the topic into 6 subtopics. Each subtopic I have given which question, how many questions appeared in which year. So you can have a look at this. So I have given questions from features and classification of organisms. So 2014 and 15, one question each has appeared. From Monera, almost every year the questions are appearing. That is from 2013 onwards up to 20. So maximum number of questions we can find in Monera. Then Protista. Protista we are getting in 2015, 16 and 18. And fungi, almost every year we have at least one question. Plantae and Animalia we find little less. Next, viruses and viroids and lichens. All together also we are finding many questions are appearing almost in every year. So this analysis I hope definitely will help you a better preparation and a very good preparation, I should say, and more scientific approach of the preparation. I hope so. This video will be very useful to you. So please do share to all your friends and contacts and subscribe so that you will be notified with more and more updates of my videos. So let us proceed into the questions which appeared from these subtopics from this chapter, biological classification. Let us start with the first question. Which among the following is not a prokaryote? This appeared in 2018, in the brackets, the year of appearance is given. Which among the following is not a prokaryote? The answer will be Saccharomyces. You know, Saccharomyces is an yeast and it is a fungus. Next one. Select the wrong statement from the following. Select a wrong statement from the following. The cell wall is present in members of fungi and the plantae. Mushrooms belong to Basidiomycetes. Pseudopodia are locomotory and feeding structures in sporozoans. That will be a wrong statement. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell in all kingdoms except Monera. So, third statement here will be a wrong statement. Next question. After karyogamy followed by meiosis, spores are produced exogenously in Agaricus. Agaricus belong to Basidiomycetes. In Basidiomycetes, the spores are formed exogenously on the basidium. Next, fourth question. Oxygen is not produced during photosynthesis by green sulfur bacteria. Remaining all will produce oxygen like nostoc, cycas and Chara. Chara is an alga. Nostoc and cycas is a gymnosperm. Nostoc is a blue-green algae. So in all this oxygen is produced, not in case of green sulfur bacteria. The next, the fifth question. Which of the following organism is known as chief producers of oceans? So that will be the diatoms. It is a direct statement from the textbook. So it will be diatoms. Next, let us proceed to seventh question. 7th question. Which of the following is found in extreme conditions? Extreme conditions. The options given are, you can find here, eubacteria, cyanobacteria, and then mycobacteria and archaebacteria. Extreme conditions we find in archaebacteria. Next one. 8th question. Viroids differ from viruses in having. Viroids differ from viruses in having. So here it will be the third option. RNA molecules without protein coat. Viroids have only RNA. They do not have any protein. Next let us go to the 9th question. 9th question, let us say, which among the following are the smallest living cells known without definite cell wall? So if you go through the options given, Pseudomonas, Mycoplasma, Nostoc, Bacillus. It should be Mycoplasma. There is one more point given in the question that they can survive without oxygen. So that means they are anaerobic. Okay, next let us go to 10th question. Which of the following component provides sticky character to the bacterial cell? So it should be glycocalyx. Glycocalyx, which is in two forms, slime layer and capsule, that provides the sticky nature. Next go to 11th question. DNA replication in bacteria occurs where? Within nucleolus is not correct. Prior to fission, that is correct. Just before transcription, it is not correct. Or during S phase, also is not correct, because bacteria will not have any S phase. It is a prokaryote. Next, 12th question. Which of the following is wrong for fungi? They are eukaryotic is correct. All fungi, they possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. That is wrong. They possess chitin. They are heterotrophic is correct. And they are both unicellular, multicellular. That is also correct. Now let's see the next question. So the year in which they appeared are given in the brackets. You can go through that and analyze. Next, 13th question. Methanogens belong to. Methanogens belong to archaebacteria. Okay, now let us go to the next question. 14th question. Let us see the 14th question. Select the wrong statement. The walls of diatoms are easily destructible. That is wrong. They are indestructible due to presence of silica. Second one, the diatomaceous earth is formed by the cell walls of diatoms. That is correct. Diatoms are chief producers of ozone. Also is correct. And diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. Also is correct. Next, 15th question. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals include. So they are the methanogens. They can produce biogas. Next, go to the 16th question. Let us see the 16th one. Which of the following statement is wrong? First statement, see, eubacteria are also called false bacteria. That is wrong. Eubacteria means true bacteria. Eu means true. So that is a wrong one. Remaining, let us see. Phycomestes are also called algal fungi. That is correct. Cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae, and golden algae are called desmids. So all these options are correct. Okay, let's now go to the 17th question. In 17th question, you will find which of the following statement is wrong for viroids. Following statements wrong for viroids. Which is the wrong? They cause infections. That is the first one. Their RNA is of high molecular weight. That is wrong. Their RNA is of low molecular weight. It is not of high molecular weight. They lack protein coat is correct, and they are smaller than viruses also is correct. See how the questions on basic information it is asked. That's what you have to take care here. Okay, now next 18th question. One of the major components of cell wall of most fungi is chitin. Next 19th question. Chrysophytes, euglenoids, dinoflagellates and slime molds are all included in the kingdom. They are included in Protista. Next one. Which one is a wrong statement? 20th question. Haploid endosperm is typical feature of gymnosperms. That is correct. Brown algae have chlorophyll A and C and fucoxanthin. Next, Archegonia are found in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, gymnosperms. Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. That will be a wrong statement. Mucor, Rhizopus, zoospores are generally not present, biflagellate. So, Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. Next, 21st question. 21st question. Okay, let's see the 20th question. Which one is wrong statement? We have seen Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. That will be wrong because Mucor, the motile spores are absent. So, it is a wrong statement. Next, go to 21st question. 21st question. The imperfect fungi which are decomposers of litter help in mineral cycling. They belong to Deuteromycetes. The members of Deuteromycetes are called imperfect fungi. Next, the structures that help some bacteria to attach to rocks and host tissues are. So, which structures help in attachment are Fimbriae in bacteria. They help in attachment. Rhizoids are present in bryophytes and other organisms. Holdfast is found in some algae. And you know mesosomes are not for the attachment. Next, 23rd question. Select the wrong statement. Select the wrong statement. Term Contagium vivum fluidum given by Beisering, that is correct. Mosaic disease in tobacco. Mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human beings are caused by viruses. That's also correct. The viroids were discovered by Ivanovsky is wrong. Diner. Diner. That is the discovered viroids. Stanley showed the viruses could be crystallized. That is also correct one. Next. Next go to 24th question. In which group of organisms the cell wall form two thin overlapping shells that fit together? So, that is in case of overlapping shells. We find in case of dinoflagellates, overlapping shells. Not dinoflagellates, chrysophytes. You find in chrysophytes. Chrysophytes means diatoms. In diatoms, we find overlapping shells. Next, 25th question. You have to identify the wrong statement in 25th. Some fungi are edible. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. That is a wrong one. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Some fungi are edible, like mushrooms are edible. Next, cell wall is absent in Animalia. It is wrong. It is correct. Next, protists have photosynthetic and heterotrophic modes of nutrition. Also is correct. They are both photosynthetic and heterotrophic also. So, which is the wrong statement here? Second one. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Monera are prokaryotes, so they do not have any nuclear membrane. Next, 26th question. Choose the wrong statement. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms. That is wrong one because they are edible. Remaining, let us see. Yeast is unicellular, useful in fermentation. That is correct. Penicillium is multicellular and produce antibiotics. Also is correct. Neurospora is used in biochemical studies, biochemical and genetic studies. So, all the other three are correct and first one is wrong. Next, 27th question. Cell wall is absent in mycoplasma. Remaining all you find the cell wall. Nostoc is blue-green alga. Aspergillus is fungi, funaria also, bryophyte. Next, 28th question. True nucleus is absent in. So, you have to choose among these, you have to choose the prokaryote. So, which is the prokaryote here? Anabaena. So, Anabaena, true nucleus will be absent. Okay, let us now look at the 29th question. Which of the following matches the correct one? So, among the matching shown there, you have to identify the correct one. So, fourth one, Alternaria, sexual reproduction is absent and Euteromystase. That is correct. Let us see the mistake in the other three. Mucor, reproduction by conjugation, and Ascomystase. So, Ascomystase is wrong there. Mucor belong to Phycomystase, and there will be some conjugation. Actually, conjugation tube is not present here. Both are correct. Wrong only. Agaricus, if you say parasitic fungus, is wrong. It is saprophytic. Basidiomystase is correct. Next, Phytophthora, aseptate mycelium and Basidiomystase, both are wrong. Septate mycelium is found in Phytophthora. Okay. Now let us go to the next question, 30th question. 5 kingdom classification suggested by Whittaker is not based on. This was asked many times, 1 or 2 times also. So it is not based on. So presence or absence of wall-defined nucleus, mode of reproduction, mode of nutrition, complexity of body organization. So actually the answer given is mode of reproduction here, but mode of reproduction also it is found. So among these given, we don't find actually the correct option here. Okay, but this appeared once in 2014, because all these are mode of the basis of classification. Next, which of the following shows coiled RNA strand and capsomers? So you find in tobacco mosaic virus, coiled RNA strand and capsomers. The next, viruses have DNA enclosed in a protein coat. Viruses, prokaryotic nucleus is wrong, single chromosome is wrong, both DNA and RNA is wrong. Next question, 33, question number 33. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in cell membrane structure mainly. Cell membrane of Archaebacteria have branched chain lipids. Next, which structure performs the function of mitochondria in bacteria? It is the mesosomes. Mesosomes contain respiratory enzymes in aerobic bacteria, and they help in aerobic respiration also. Next, 35. The motile bacteria are able to move by flagella. Simple question. Next, anoxygenic photosynthesis is characteristic of. Anoxygenic means which does not liberate oxygen. That is by bacteria, Rhodospirella. Remaining all are algae. So answer will be the first option. Now next, let us see the next question. 37th question. Question number 37. Which of the following are likely to be present in deep sea water? So deep sea water, Archaebacteria, under extreme conditions they are present. Next, pigment containing membranous extensions in some cyanobacteria. They are called as chromatophores. These chromatophores contain chlorophyll pigments. The next question. Why is capsule advantageous to a bacterium? Why is capsule advantageous? So let us see the options. It protects the bacterium from desiccation. That is first option. It provides a means of locomotion. It allows bacterium to hide from host immune system. And it allows the bacteria to get attached to the surface. So capsule generally, it protects the bacterium from desiccation. And also C, according to this, A and C should be correct, because it allows bacteria to hide from host immune system also. It protects from host immune system. So here A and C can be correct. But in this 39th question, according to the key given, only C is given. But we can take even protects from bacteria from desiccation. Desiccation means complete loss of water. Next, 40th question. Which one of the following is true for fungi? True for fungi. They lack rigid cell wall. That is not correct. Their heterotrophs is correct. They lack nuclear membrane. Also is not correct. And they are phagotrophs. Also not correct. So B you can take. Phagotroph means which undergo phagocytosis. That is seen in some protozoans. Okay. Now let us discuss questions from the 2019 and 20 from the same chapter. So here the first question, which of the following statement is wrong? This appeared all these in 2019. Viroids lack protein coat. Viruses are obligate parasite. Infective part in viruses is protein coat. That is wrong. Infective part is the DNA. Prions consists of abnormally folded proteins. Okay, now next, which of the following statement is incorrect? Morels and truffles are edible delicacies. That is correct. Then second statement, you see claviceps is a source of many alkaloids and LSD. LSD is a lysergic acid dinucleotide. LSD is a drug. It is called as hallucinogenic drug which causes hallucinations. Next, conidia are produced exogenously and ascospores endogenously. That is also correct. Incorrect you have to choose. So yeasts are filamentous bodies with long thread-like hyphae. That is wrong. Yeasts are unicellular. Next, check match the following. You have to identify the correct match. So you can identify the correct match here. A, that is saprophyte, you will match with decomposition of dead organic matter. Then B, parasite, you will match with third, that is living on plants or animals. Lichens, you will match with the fourth option, symbiotic association of algae and fungi. And then D, you will match with 1, that is symbiotic association of fungi with the roots of higher plants. Okay, now let us see the next question, next set of questions. Fourth one, mad cow disease in cattle is caused by an organism which has. Mad cow disease is caused by prions. So, what should be the answer here? Abnormally folded proteins. Inert crystalline structure means viruses. Free RNA without protein coat, that is they are viroids. Free DNA without protein coat is not present. So, second option here you will take. Next, which of the following statements about methanogens is not correct? What is first statement? They can be used to produce biogas. That is correct. They are found in rumen of cattle in their excreta. Rumen of cattle and their excreta. Then they grow aerobically and break down cellulose. That is also that point will be wrong. See, aerobically word is wrong. They grow anaerobically. Last one, they produce methane gas is correct. So these questions appeared in 2019. Next, in 2020 also you will find some questions appeared. Which of the following is correct about viroids? They have free DNA without protein coat. They have RNA with protein coat. They have free RNA without protein coat. That is correct. And they have DNA with protein coat. That is wrong. See, almost you are getting questions from viruses, viroids every time. Now, the last set of questions let us take. Which of the following statement is correct? Lichens do not grow in polluted water, polluted areas. Then you have to identify which is correct. Algal component of lichens is called mycobiont. That is correct. Fungal component of lichens is called phycobiont. That is wrong. Algal component mycobiont is wrong. Fungal component phycobiont. Lichens are not good pollution indicators. That is also wrong, because lichens are pollution indicators. So first statement will be correct. Lichens do not grow in polluted areas. Okay, now let us see another question. This is from 2020. You have to match the table given, find out the correct match. So first A, halophiles. Halophiles you will match with salty areas, fourth one. The next, thermoacidophiles you will match with hot springs, very hot, very high temperatures. Methanogens, guts of ruminants. Cyanobacteria, aquatic environment. So these are about around 50 questions, 48 questions we have discussed from this chapter. I hope this is very useful to you. So please go through it once again, the video. If you feel it, you have to revise once again. Go through all the questions once again and try to answer them without saying. So read only the question, keep a notebook with you beside, and then write the answer by yourself. Okay, thank you for listening. Please do share and please subscribe. So thank you very much.